Hi everyone. In this video, we show you different ways you can use to fix ChatGPT's at capacity right now error and how to bypass it. What is ChatGPT's at capacity right now error? Whenever you try to sign up or log in to OpenAI to use ChatGPT, you see this error. This error mainly occurs due to the following reasons. ChatGPT is down. The server of ChatGPT is fully loaded with users and experiencing high demand. The cache of your browser is not refreshed. We need to eliminate the possibilities of these issues in order to bypass the error and use ChatGPT normally. If you see ChatGPT is at capacity right now message while trying to use it, you can employ the following workarounds and see. We see the ChatGPT is at capacity right now error as many users try to log in to use the service at the same time. This puts a heavy load on the ChatGPT servers. You need to wait for some time and try to use it again. Sometimes, the error on ChatGPT might be fixed with just a refresh. Click on the refresh button on your browser or use the F5 keyboard shortcut. When you refresh the browser, it tries to load a new version of the page on your browser. ChatGPT is on a boom. Everyone is trying to use it in some way. This puts a heavy load on the servers of ChatGPT and OpenAI. This may sometimes crash the servers, and you might see the error. You need to check if OpenAI and ChatGPT are working fine, and if there is no downtime associated with them. Using a VPN lets you change the location of your IP address. This fix might help if your nearest server of ChatGPT is heavily loaded with users. Changing your IP and location with a VPN might fix the error, and you might be able to log in and use the ChatGPT after that. Sometimes, the cookies and cache on your browser might play the spoil sport. The new cache of ChatGPT websites might not be loaded and you still see the error. You need to clear the cache on your web browser to be able to use ChatGPT without any errors.